Hey guys, real quick. I'm putting this at the beginning of my YouTube video. I didn't realize when I filmed it that I forgot to adjust my GoPro film, what I wanted to film in. I had it in 2 times, like slow-mo and stuff like that. But you get the picture. It's just, you're going to see a lot of blur because I filmed it and I forgot to change over to, like, I don't know what it is, 8K and 240 frames a second. I forgot. So it's on like 60 or something like that. So anytime I'm doing a hard pull, you're going to see that. I apologize. Now let's get to the video. Hello everybody. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'm using the GoPro back there in the back. I have the media mod on it, so hopefully that mic picks up my sound a little bit better. In the GTR with all the new mods. Just out doing a little casual driving right now. When we find a good spot to hit it, we're going to hit it here in Mexico and see what it's all about. So I got the car back from CCO Performance yesterday. We got bigger turbos, front mount. Essentially it was their C800 package, minus the fact that I already had most of the stuff that was needed. I also added the bigger turbo inlets and a couple other little things here and there. But I'll do a full video build on what I have currently on the car. So yeah, I'll do a full build video on it eventually. This road right here is a little rough, but dropped it off. They had it for about 2 weeks before they got to start it. The car that was in before mine, I guess, had some things going on that they didn't foresee, so pushed it back about a week or two on the build time, which, I mean, things happen. That's not that big of a deal. Got it back now though. Communication was always great with them. Like, they always, when I shot Andrew an email, he always replied. As long as you email them during their business hours, they always responded. The emails never went a day without being responded to. Super responsive. The car's running great. I drove it all the way back in a monsoon. When I picked up the car, they had the seat wrapped. The steering wheel was also wrapped with some protective film, so they weren't hurting the car at all. So they were, it was a really nice touch. Gave me a scent, a new air freshener for the car, and had the steering wheel wrapped, seat wrapped, took real good care of it. They even washed the car knowing that it was, the storm was coming, but they washed it anyway. You know, it's a little thing, so they took really good care of it. The car was given back to me in just as good a shape as it was when I left it. As far as normal driving goes, it's all really done, and it's driven perfectly. Even better, actually, it's ran smoother, because to do the bigger turbos, they got to pull the engine out, disconnect the drive shaft, all this stuff. It's really, there's a lot that goes into it. So it was all put back together great. It's running great. I'm very happy with the way it is. The car is warmed up now, so as long as there's no traffic, whenever I get back on the side road here in Mexico, we're going to do a hit and see what we feel about it. See how she runs. The car made on E85, it made 827 horsepower to the wheels, wheel horsepower, and 640 torque. So that was very impressive. Love the car. The car is just, I backed it into the garage today after I washed it again and just sat back and just stared at it. Like, the car is just, the body lines on this thing, they were so ahead of their time, and a lot of people complain about, look at this Camaro up here trying to, little does he know, he doesn't want any, does not want any. But anyway, they, I mean, people always complain, you know, Nissan, update the car, update the motor, but why? The car was ahead of its time when it came out. There's no reason to. So we're going to do a little short pull right up here, maybe. Yeah, right here. Jesus! That was 90 like that! Oh my God! And that wasn't even full throttle. That was like, I just wanted to hit it a little bit one time, just kind of feel it. And oh my God. Jesus. enough of all that. I'll just do some driving here so you can hear all the sounds and everything. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Subscribe. I drop reels, TikToks, things like that. I respond to every comment and like every comment. You can check all my TikToks, even the one that's got 8 million hits on it. I have literally responded to every comment or liked every comment and responded. So please do that. I do live videos on me detailing the car, things like that, and just some random stuff. So make sure to follow me, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. So now I'm just we're at 5 minutes in. The rest of the video I'm just gonna be driving, so you guys can hear the sounds of everything and the noises. So just get you some driving in here in Mexico. And with that, thank you for watching the video. I won't end the video with that. I'll just end the video with some sounds. We got a red light here, so I might talk for a second. But yeah, make sure you follow, like, subscribe, share it too. A lot of people sleep on that, but share the video, please. Share the video. If you have any questions, I could drop links to everything. There's C800 package if you have a GTR. Here comes, what is this, a Hellcat coming up next to me? I wish it was, and I wish he would. But yeah, I'll put links to everything in the bottom. Look at this, it's an old fart, man. It's like a guy's like 80 years old in that damn car. I always said I would not be 80 and drive a Corvette. I'm not doing it. I want to enjoy my cars. Share the videos, guys. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, I'll put all the links down below. And the rest of the video, I'll just end it after I do some driving. I won't be saying anything else. So just enjoy the sounds from here on out, alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the video. Take a different road this time. Let's go this way. My God. Things are breaking loose like crazy. Need better tires. My God, there's 115 from like a 40. Oh my God, I don't know why I sounded like that. That's crazy. Just continuously pulls. That's short shifting, y'all. Oh my God. And I was short shifting. Like, that is just insane. That's insane. It's gonna take a while for me to get used to that, so I don't lose it. That's crazy. video under 10 minutes. So that leaves me with about 20 seconds left. I said I wasn't going to talk anymore, but again, thank you guys. This is amazing. Cars are doing great. Props to CCO Performance's team, Nathan CCO's team there at CCO Performance. Thank you guys so much. I love the car.